So what's up everyone? I hope you're smiling today, and if you're not, let's do it together. Welcome to another tech review of mine where I tell you about my setup and the equipments that I like to use. So let's start with another product today. So for today we have a very lightweight tripod for review, and this is Vanguard's 2x265 ABP tripod. They say it to be super light, affordable, and one of the best options available in the market. I got to use this beast of a product during my Uttarakhand trip. So the box comes with a tripod, its carry bag, a low angle adapter, a panning handle, quick shoe, 3 Allen wrenches, replaceable spiked feet, 3 by 8 inches screw adapter. The tripod comes with an aluminium body which is suited for all kinds of terrain, and it's sturdy yet lightweight. Total weight comes down to 1.81 kgs. Yes, that's all the weight of the tripod that is. And when you mount your full frame camera on it, the maximum weight that it can carry is 12.5 kg. When fully opened, the total height it can achieve is about 151 centimeters, and it folds down to just 41 centimeters. As a very interesting feature in this tripod, these lock buttons which release when you lock the angles of this tripod, 30 degree, 40 degree or 80 degrees. These locking mechanisms where you just unlock these roll and then this opens up completely. There's a ball head on the top, and this rotates completely 360 degrees, and Vanguard says this is their patented design, which really securely tights your camera. Then there's a two-way spirit level from where you can check if your camera is exactly settled on a straight line. Again, you have a screw which lets you take this rod upwards, and you unscrew it, and then you can completely rotate this thing which goes down there, and voila, it's tightly, compactly packed again. Now there are multiple ways in which you can use this tripod, and this product is like a 5-in-1 thing. Let me show you how. Number 1, when you mount your camera on the top of the ball head, it can be used for simple horizontal shooting. You can use the pan handle to take horizontal panning shots. You can mount it for bird photography, wildlife photography. Number 2, vertical shooting. This ball head can be rotated 360 degrees. You just have to give some friction to it, get it on a side level, make it straight, and then your camera is just mounted here and you can easily shoot vertical videos. So you might know Ollie as a famous skiing destination. And number 3, Flatlay shooting. So when you unscrew this center rod, you take it upwards completely, and then you give it another angle, it goes downwards, and now your camera is pointing the ground. So it becomes really easy for one to take flatlay videos, stop motion videos, flatlay pictures. Number 4, you can also use this product as a monopod. Yes, you heard it right. I never thought when it came that I can also use it as a monopod, because monopod is again a very important accessory while shooting videos. Also, with the help of a monopod, you can take fake drone shots. And the 5th use, you can do macro shooting with it. You just have to open all the legs to the maximum angle. You may or you may not take out the center rod, depends on your shooting requirement, and then your camera is down there at the lowest level on the ground. Bonus, you can also use the center rod as a very stabilized vlogging stick.
Currently we are testing this tripod by Vanguard, and it is 6-in-1, and I am also using it as a vlogging stick.
So in this segment, I tell you what I like and what I don't like about the product. And for this product today, I mostly have a lot of advantages. Lightweight and heavy duty. It can take a lot of heavy winds. It can be used in any kind of terrain, yet it's lightweight, it's meant for travel, and it's still professional. It extends to a really great height. I don't have to hunch down. This is just perfect. It extends up to a great height. It's adjustable. So my camera weighs about 1 to 1.5 kg. It's a full frame DSLR, and it can easily be mounted on this tripod. And I think even more professional cameras than mine can also be mounted on this one. It's compact, it folds so nicely, it is designed so nicely. They have given these rubber locks, they have given security switches, the ball head is so nicely designed. There's a two-way spirit level. The spirit level does not go below your camera, it just at a point where you can actually see it even after mounting your camera. So बहुत सारे tripods में spirit level camera के नीचे चला जाता है. It's multi-purpose, can be used in 6 ways. On this tripod you can also attach binoculars with or without adapter depending on the binocular. एक बहुत बड़ा advantage इन्होंने दिया है, इसके feet जो हैं they are interchangeable. They have by default given you rubber feet, but they can be changed with the spiked ones depending on the terrain. What I don't like about this tripod, it's a very underwhelming segment, but there are two things that I was able to find out. First of all, I'm not a very big fan of tighten and loose quick shoe because it just takes time. The second disadvantage is that if you want to hang more weight on the bottom of the tripod, which a lot of people do to counter additional vibrations, then in this tripod you have the option to hang the weight sideways, which doesn't make sense, I guess, because it is off center. What's the price of this tripod? Only 16,000 rupees. This comes in a professional tripod category, and I've compared the prices with the other competitors available in the market like Manfrotto, Surrey, Peak Design, Gitzo, Miliboo. Almost all of them have the same features and fall in the same price category. So this is one of the most lightweight tripods I've come across yet. Sturdy. So that was my review of the Vanguard 2X265 ABP tripod. I hope you found this video helpful and hope it helps you to choose a better professional tripod. Do share, do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video soon.